Sanibonani bafowethu, ngithi mangenichazele ngokwenzeke namhlanje kwiMadlaka Commission. But ukuchazela kwami kuzofuna sike siqale sibuke ukuthi ingabe ubaba uGeneral uMasemula kuzabe la ufike kanjani. Indaba iqala ngesikhathi uMatlala efaka icontract efaka itender ukuthi ucela ukusebenzisana namaphoyisa awaseve njengezidingo zawo ngokwale le tender babenikwe yona. So if awuyazi le tender ukuthi ingani ikhona ivideo engayenza la ecacisa kabanzi ngale tender ukuthi kwakwenzakalani. So ngesikhathi kwenzeka ke uMasemula ke yena uGeneral uNational Commissioner wamaphoyisa. Lokho kusho ukuthi singasho ukuthi upresident wamaphoyisa omphathi wabo. So imali izale department zibhekwe nguye o yibo abane say ukuthi ba approve abantu benza in. So ngesikhathi uMatlala efaka itender umuntu owayekumela livuma or alichithe lelo tender. So ilento ekuthiwa iPublic Finance Management Act lo mthetho okutshelayo ukuthi njengoba ke ususebenzela uhulumeni and sikunika imali engaka ukuthi uyigcine kungumsebenzi wakho ezomuntu oyibhekile le mali ngesilungu bathi uyi-accounting officer ukuthi wenze sure ukuthi le mali ayidleki ngendlela engekho emthethweni nokuthi uma ispendo ley'ntweni ezikhona kungenzeki i-corruption ukhona uphethe. But ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kwafika kubaba uGeneral Masemula usise kuthiwa uMajor General uCharity Mahlo. uMahlo wafika kwamtshela ukuthi cha kukhona izinsolo ezivukayo ngale tender likaMatlala and kungakuhle ukuthi silikhansele. So kwahamba isikhathi kuMasemula walikhansela itender. Kwangaba nankinga. Kanti iDEC izothola ithuba lokuthi isebenzise leso space sokuthi icharge ubaba uMasemula ngale nto lokuthi wena wathatha isikhathi ukuthi ustop le tender sekudleke 50 million yonke. So iDEC kahle ayisho ukuthi uMasemula ucorrupt or wadla imali, ithi wathatha nje isikhathi ukuthi uyimise itender eyayisi approve. So indaba ilapho ke manje, but i-challenge enkulu ukuthi ke manje uma uMasemula echargelwa leyo nto leyo akuyona into angayiyele court, because into ekudilwa nayo kwi-department kunemithetho eguidayo ukuthi uma umuntu esephule lemithetho yakwa public finance kumele kwenziwe njani. But yini pho nina eyenza iDEC nimthathe nimuse court niyomfaka kanye nabantu abachajwe ngefraud abachajwe nangecorruption? So imali ngiyabuza ukuthi lokho akuvezi na ukuthi benzama ukumhlambalaza for abantu abanga understand ukuthi ipolitics ihamba kanjani nokuthi because abantu ekugcineni abajule kakhulu ekutheni uMasemula wenzeni uma indaba zireporta zithi naba abacorrupt abawu4 noMasemula isithombe sakhe silapho. Leyo nto le isend message ethi uMasemula ucorrupt. And ngokweMadlaka Commission ithi into ade ngazothi niyayifuna vele nina le ukuthi yenzeke ukuthi ekugcineni makube ukuthi uMasemula uyahlazeka aziwe njengomuntu ocorrupt, kodwa uma sewusondela eduze ubuka amacala wenzile awasondela isidalo kwicorruption. Because into enilwa nina ngayo as iDEC ukuthi wathatha isikhathi ukuthi respond. And if ukowabuka ama interviews kaBaba uGeneral Masemula uyomnothisa ukuthi umuntu onomoya ophansi vele akuyena umuntu othanda ukurasha izinto. So iDEC decided mayisenzele lathuba ukuthi kube ukuthi ihlasela ngalo ubaba uMasemula. So uJohnson bebempheka ngalento uze wavuma naye ukuthi cha iphutha kubuke ngathi silenzile ukuthi sisukele ubaba uGeneral uMasemula kodwa ubufakazi bungekho saze samuse court, because ukumuse court usend imessage ethile ukuthi laba abacorrupt kodwa iqiniso lithi akubonakala nje ukuthi ikhona icorruption ayenza or ifraud ayenza. Icala lakho ukuthi wa responda after some time, and ngokwemthetho yabasebenzi akumelanga ukuthi umuntu omhlaselela ukuthi wa responda after isikhathi esithile. Umbuzo uthi phela if unithi wa responda after isikhathi esithile bekumele responda after isikhathi esingakanani? Iyiphi le timeline nina eniyisebenzisayo esho ukuthi umuntu kumele responde after isikhathi esingaka? Because awukwazi ukuvela ukuthi umuntu uhamba kancane or uhamba fast. Kumele uqala umtshele ukuthi okay ngikulindele ukuthi ufike la ngo3. Then if engafika ngo3 kula ungabese uyashoke khona cha mfowethu uhamba kancane. So ngifuna nje ukuthi uyibuke le video la eziphendulela khona uAndrea Johnson, then sizophinde siqhubeke nayo siyihlaziye.
This is no, but and this is something that Commissioner Baloyi's question touched on. We want to know why this was done. Why was this done? You've agreed very easily. You know these principles. You apply these sections all the time. Why was this done? Why was Commissioner Masemula lumped with these people, charged with fraud and corruption when he is not? When he is charged with the statutory offenses provided for in the PFMA, why was he lumped with these people? At face value, it seems to me that this must have been done to embarrass him, to taint him, and to make the public, or to cause the public to see him as also being complicit in fraud and corruption. People are not going to, ordinary members of the public are not going to analyze this. He stands there, people charged with corruption, fraud. He stands there with them. And most of the noise when the case is talked about is going to be about the fraud and corruption. People are not going to delineate and say, but not Masemula. Do you see what I mean? So this was done, I suggest to you, to embarrass him, to taint him, and to make him look as if he too has committed fraud and corruption. That was calculated, I suggest.
Okunye okuvelile namhlanje kwiMadlanga Commission ukuthi uAndrea Johnson waqamba amanga ngokuthi athi yena noKhan bangabantu nje abajwayelene ngokomsebenzi. iMadlanga Commission improvele ke namhlanje ukuthi cha into yakhe noKhan ayipheleli emsebenzini kuphela, indlulela nangale emuva, because imkhiphela ubufakazi uzokhuluma babethatha amafoni kaKhan bawaphenya badownloada wonke ama-message ayewasewathi thina nani bawabuyisa njengoba enjalo. So uma bemvezela ke manje bayaveza ukuthi wena ubeketha uKhan mayekubhalela athi hi gorgeous, ekubhalela ukuthi uyakukhumbula I miss you. And ngeke ukuthi umuntu osebenza kwa crime intelligence nomuntu osebenza kwa IDEC bangabhalelana lawo ma message kanti bazana ngokungendaba yokusebenza kuphela. Ize yandlula iMadlanga Commission yamvezela ukuthi phela unabo ubufakazi wena ukhuluma noKhan. uKhan wayekhala ngokuthi unenkinga yokuthi usoli ngathi ama-Hawks ayamsongela into ezimbi asemva kwakhe afuna ukumsusa emsebenzini into ezinjalo. So wacela uAndrea Johnson ukuthi ucela ukuthi amncedise ekuthenini amvikele amlalelele ukuthi ngabe ama-attack eza ngakuphi. And kwaze kwaba khona i-meeting phakathi kwabo eyayithi meeting iza sizokhuluma face to face. Ukufika kwakhe uKhan kwa IDEC mos ngokomthetho kumele mawungene ofisini uqale ku receptionist labo sisabahlala eminyango labo bhuti abahlala eminyango bese uyabhala igama lakho usho ukuthi uze kubani une appointment kabani ngesikhathi esithini bamfona bamtshela ukuthi ubani usefikile eze na. But with uKhan ayizange yenzeke le nto leyo. Instead kwa IDEC kuneminyango u2, kuneminyango engena wonke umuntu, kuneminyango ongena abantu ababalekile, abantu abangaseshwa nokuseshwa. Umzekelo uma ngathiwa kungena uRamaphosa uze kumama uAndrea Johnson, angeke angena le minyango esingena thina sonke, uzongena ngeminyango le yama VIP because angeke aseshwe, ngeke kwenziwe nesovela ngene nje ashone phakathi. noKhan kwenziwa lento leyo kuye and wayengezange isizathu somsebenzi. So lento isibonisa ukuthi kwakhona ubudlelwane obundlula obumsebenzi between uKhan kanye noAndrea Johnson. Now ezinye izinto engeke ngayinothisa noma singakhulunywa kuMadlanga Commission kungenzeka ukuthi sezisuggesta nokuthi kungenzeka ukuthi uAndrea Johnson beyangathembekile kahle emshadweni wakhe, but akuyona into ekhulunyiwe le kuMadlanga Commission. But if ulalela nje imood yalama messages akade ekhulunywa laphana ukuthi ungabiza umfazi omunye umuntu oseshadile omazi ukuthi ushadile indoda yakhe yakeze kwi-birthday party yakho kanye nomfazi naye uAndrea Johnson, bese ubiza umfazi waleyo ndoda ngokuthi hi gorgeous I miss you. Ingabe isivezelana kahle kahle lento le. So into ekade ivelile namhlanje kwiMadlanga Commission le. And enye into engiyinotisile is that iMadlanga Commission ikwenze kwakhe ukuthi lento ivezwe usesibaloyi yavezwa uMadlanga. Mbonge nje bayiveza indaba ukuthi inhloso yakho la bekukuthi wena uhlambalaze uMasemula. That's why wenze yonke lento bowulwa izimpi zikaKhan ngokuhlambalaza lamadoda labo Khumalo oMasemula nobani nomkhwanazi. So I felt ukuthi ize yafika to a point lokumba ngeke ngenza ivideo la ngimtshela ukuthi uAndrea Johnson usola ngokuthi wathatha idocket kwakuyicala lalibhekane noKhan waligijimisa kuKhan ukuthi ayolibona ukuthi ibuphi ubufakazi abanabo ngaye, was preparisha in advance ukuthi mhlali icala abe azi ukubaphetheni ngale. So nalelo cala yena udecide ukuthi lapha angakhulumi nokukhuluma wathi cha leli cala ngilithinti nokulithinta angifuni ukuyiphendula because lizongifaka ebungozini ngizozithola sengiboshiwe uma ngiphendula lamacala lawo. So ofuyishike manje kusho ukuthi lobufakazi obabulethwe ngaphambili ukuthi uAndrea Johnson wayencedisa uKhan ukuze angaboshwa abuka challenge wena akekho saphikisile busame njengoba bunjalo. So asazi ukuthi izohamba inigcine ishintshile o kanjani. Now enye into la enginotisile is that uKhan kubuye ngathi umuntu oyinkinga emaphoyiseni, kubuye ngathi the fact that ucabanga ukuthi ama-Hawks ayamfuna at the same time ucabanga ukuthi o-general bayamfuna nabo Khumalo nobani bani, kusho ukuthi impilo ayiphilayo kuyabonakala ngazuthi iyaxoxisa but asazi-ke because ubufakazi into esingenayo. Now kukhona enye into interesting ekhulunyiwe la efaka ama-politician. Kule video kaMasemula ekhuluma ukuthi nibabona abanye abantu bekhuluma kakhulu la wayeseparliament leso sikhathi ekhuluma le nto leyo. Ethi nibabona abanye abantu abakhuluma kakhulu nje, bakhuluma kakhulu but nabo bayathinteka kuyo yonke le insolo lezi, bangabantu ababenefitayo kulabantu esibasolayo. And ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kwavela ukuthi ngenza ukuthi naba abantu abasolekayo. Ngifuna uyibuke le video then bese siyaqhubeka leka General Masemula eyikhulumela lento ukuthi kukhona abantu khona la ababizwa ukuthi ama public members because uyiphoyisa so thina siyi public kuyo. So ngifuna ubuke le video then bese siyaqhubeka siya nabo.
And some of the public members that you see making too much noise, some of them are beneficiaries to that. And we are investigating it. There are challenges, but we'll overcome it. We'll end up arresting them. Yes, it's true.
Good.
It's safe to leave it there.
I heard you.
Now, njengoba soyibukile le video, isibonisa into eyi-1 la ukuthi uGeneral Khumalo, uGeneral Masemula kanye noMkhwanazi kudala bazi ukuthi kungenza ukuthi kunama-politician or abantu abasemphakathini ababenefitayo nge-information from abantu abanjengoKhani kanye nabanye. Yingakayikhuluma ethi khona la kunabantu abazuzayo kwi-information yalabantu. Now kukhona ivideo la engizoyidlala nje egcineni uma sengiqedile ukukhuluma kaJulius Malema ekhuluma ngokuthi kune-warrant of arrest lephepha elishoyo ukuthi hambani niyobopha ubani kaGeneral Masemula. Umbuzo omkhulu ke manje ukuthi uJulius Malema njengepolitician engayena iphoyisa wazi kanjani ukuthi kune-warrant of arrest before kukhuluma uMkhwanazi ezenza zonke ezansolo ezaduma kakhulu nje ezweni la press conference yakhe. Wazi kanjani uMalema ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi kune warrant of arrest. Lento lena ke isithinte abantu abaningi ngisho nizomkhumbula kokomashele wayephethe uEskom kudala. Wayesebenza kwa-Eskom uke wayiveza naye lento ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi ebuza nje kula ma-question engiwaraisayo nami ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi ama-politician azi indaba zasemaphoyiseni ukuqala zingakafiki kuyo yonke indawo. And lama-question aphinda abuzwa na uJulius Mkhwanazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini ukuthi mangizoboshwa kube ukuthi abantu iy'ntatheli sezila seziyazi ukuthi ngizoboshwa nini yonke le nto. Kwenziwa yini ukuthi amaphoyisa afike after iy'ntatheli sezifikile and uboshwa ngama-Friday. So kusho khona ukuthi kukhona lo budlelwane obungathi abukho right between iy'ntatheli kanye nama-politician. And so far kubuye ngazuthi uFidel Adams lo wavula icase against lamadoda uJulius Malema kunama-information abawazi. That's why kwaze kwavela la uma kukhuluma abanye abantu kuvela ukuthi bukhona ubudlelwane between uKhan, uJulius Malema noMohammed Said. But-ke asinabufakazi because mhlawumbe kenzeka ukuthi ngesikhathi uJulius Malema eyikhuluma lento le kwase kuvele kuyinto public knowledge, kuyinto esisemaphepeni. So angeke sazi kahle but nje ngithi mangikwazisa ukuthi kwenzakalani ngapha ey'ndabeni so that nawe uyihlaziyele ngokwakho uzibonele ukuthi wena uthi kungapha or kungapha.
There is a warrant of arrest against Masemula. It's out. I don't know why it's not being picked up. It means someone somewhere is playing politics and somehow they want to undermine once more the independence of our justice system. Masemula is being arrested for what he did with Khumalo in the crime intelligence. Masemula was supposed to be arrested that week when Mkhwanazi had a press conference. So I thought Mkhwanazi's press conference was a preemptive strategy. And perhaps the arrest for Masemola is delayed by that or will be seen as if we are fighting back or anything of that sort. So it's a matter we're paying a very close attention to, because we cannot allow any more people to abuse their positions. Once a warrant of arrest is issued, it means there is some sort of evidence of wrongdoing which must be tested at the court. We will have to make sure that this is followed through. You know, I told.
In terms of the legal basis, Commissioner, there was She can't finish the sentence. In terms of the legal basis, Commissioner, there was a. She can't finish. Andrea Johnson, Advocate Andrea Johnson, Winnie Malema Kisnukwani. She is a disgrace to the profession and the criminal and the justice system in the country. She's a disgrace to the fraternity of lawyers. Actually, after hearing these things that I'm hearing now, Advocate Johnson should be disbarred. If Camila Aluzela license here high, she should be disbarred. The king. The same thing that happened to Advocate Tifo Sillo, and now already they found Tifo. Advocate Tifo was found or no? There is, he's been reinstituted. Akiri was disbarred, Advocate Tifo. Andrea Johnson must follow suit. Advocate Winnie Malema. Advocate Andrea Johnson, Winnie Malema. You mama are a sinukwa. Usinukwani, you are a sinukwani. If General Masemola was found to have contravened a particular law, this is the argument of Commissioner Madlanga. If General Masemola, my general, was found to have contravened a particular procurement law, Public Finance Management Act has the law framework or legal framework for such things, whereby if somebody did not follow due process, then they should be disciplined within Public Finance Management Act, meaning it becomes internal. No, but now Andrea Johnson, Winnie Malema takes General Masemola and lumps him together with these ones that are charged with crime and corruption and parades them in front of the court of law. And then the argument there, Advocate Madlanga's argument is to say, you did that on face value. That was done so that there could be a public humiliation, which I agree, Lintate Madlanga, Commissioner Madlanga. I agree. Advocate Winnie Malema, Advocate Johnson, she's not innocent. She knew exactly what she was doing. She's party to everything that was happening. That has brought disrepute, that has brought bad record, that has brought negative image to General Masemola, that has humiliated is it Brigadier, that young lady of crime intelligence, who was paraded Libo General Kuman, of intelligence. Exactly. Kore miona ke sunukwane mio. Advocate Johnson ke sunukwane ke skebekwa. Ki I don't know what to say. Ki sunukwane skebekwa. Advocate Johnson. Usilampi miu, usilampi. Yana li Kenya haiko IDEC, but silam. She can't even answer questions. She's trying to divert, and I'm glad that the commissioners are saying, no, that's not the question that I asked. She's trying to dupe lawyers. I mean, those are judges there. They know your tricks. They have been on the bench. I mean, they have prosecuted if they are prosecutors, or they have defended if they are defenders, but they are lawyers. They know how you guys play the trick and the game. Advocate Johnson, Winnie Malema kisu nukwa. Mio fail you. Mio babadi tilam with these people. Let's fail about Advocate Johnson. Tilam mio. I'm talking about Kore, how do you do that and destroy people's lives like that? No, no. Actually, I want God's justice in this matter. Not only Matanga's justice, but God's justice in Basile. People that are, given the task to adjudicate and to make decisions that have implications on legality and lives of people should not behave like that. They should be fair and impartial. This thing I suspect that Ramaphosa is involved here, one way or the other. Advocate Johnson, Winnie Malema, nonsense ya mutwe, nonsense ya mewe. Cease.
Dear Mr. President Cyril Ramaphosa, this veto is going to straight to you. Mr. President Cyril Ramaphosa, can you please bring back our commissioner, Ubaba General Fani Masimula? I'm pleading with you, Mr. President. Siyacela Baba President Cyril Ramaphosa, buyisa back Ubaba Fani Masimula. Now sasiyalazi iqiniso ukuthi labantu bakho Mr. President bakwa IDEC benze zonke lezi inhloso ukudicilela isithunzi sika Fani Masimula phansi. Eze eyoma lapha eboxini emenezigebengu zodwa ame eboxini. Bebekade becabanga ukuthini bathi umndeni wakhe awucabange kanjani awumbone kanjani. Umsebenzi we-IDEC bekuwukuthi wona kuphela udicilele kuphela ama-members e-public nabantu bomthetho ubadicilele phansi isithunzi. Ayikho ngempela lento ebikade iboshelwe ubaba uFani Masimula, uGeneral Fani Masimula ayikho. Njengamanje baba uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa siyacela siyisizwe ukuthi please enzani ubulungiswa together with your NPA. I-NPA yakuvumela kanjani? Kwayisiyona i-NPA isikemu uma kukuthi izolalela i-IDEC ukuthi kuvulwe amacala angekho emthethweni. Kanti i-NPA ayiwabheki yini amacala ekukhulunywa ngayo ukuthi ngempela kufanele yini ukuthi avulelwe abantu. Uyayibona lento leyo ukuthi iyihlazo, this is abomination esizweni sase South Africa sonke ukuthi ngempela kunezinto ezikanje ukuthi kudicilelwe isithunzi somuntu phansi. I-deformation of character enkulu kabi le engikaze ngize ngiyibone. Nangempela wama-ke mnumzana Cyril Ramaphosa wama ngempela wamisuspenda uGeneral Fani Masimula for izeleze into engekho, into ongazange wayisesha, and then wamdicilela phansi isithunzi. Nawe-ke ne-NPA yakho nambeka eceleni nakuvuma ukuthi ayoma ngempela ebhoksini kwasayiwena iphalaphala lakho limi ngasenhla licacile, uyahluleka ukunimela, ubhizi uyambenceza, ubhizi usenda ilokhuzaneni udrega i-impeachment ngento engekho ukuthi ithi inkantolo i-Concord enkulu ithi lalela wena kufuneke uyofesana lapha nama-MPs wena ugijima uye enkantolo kuyodilewa ukuthi wena uyofesana nesisimo ekufuneka ubhekane naso njengamanje-ke Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa mongameli wezwe mongameli omkhulu-ke ongaphezu komthetho sasiyazi ukuthi wena mongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ungaphezulu-ke komthetho-ke wena okokuqala emhlabeni lokho esabakhona besingakwazi lokho sesiyacela-ke hayi kabi Cyril Ramaphosa siyakucela baba ngiyacela nje kuwena hayi baba siyakucela buyisela uGeneral Fani Masimula emsebenzini and futhi as a country we demand an apology kuweke wena Cyril Ramaphosa sidemanda kuwena you must apologize to the country ngalesi senzo osenzile ukudicilela isithunzi sa General Masimula phansi you must apologize to the country you must apologize to the country umise umuntu ongenacala ongazange enze lutho ongazange ebe hlobo nesayini yokucommita ifraud noma icorruption wamisa emsebenzini furthermore waze wayoma nezigebengu imkelemunqa waxela nazo laphana ebhokisini enkantolo ube wazi ukuthi akanacala nangu Andrew Johnson econfirma lokhu ukuthi ngempela there was no case there even Judge Madlanga has confirmed that. We are now seeking justice to be done. Ukuthi njengamanje ubaba uMasimula akabuyele back emsebenzini. Baba uCyril Ramaphosa siyacela akabuyele emsebenzini uGeneral Masimula. Akabuyele emsebenzini. Akabuyele emsebenzini uGeneral Masimula. Because umsebenzi wakhe uwenziwe. So lento ye-IDEC vese ekade iplot itargete abantu abathizeni yayenzelwe ukutargeta. And kwayona le IDEC yakhona ubani umuntu esubmita kuyona ubani umphathi wayo ubani overseer yale IDEC yonke le mfukumfuku ezikhulu zakwa IDEC aziboshwe ziyobhadla ejele ngoba zingcolise amagama abantu ebengafanele angcoliswe. Le IDEC ibikade i-attack uGeneral Masimula i-attack uGeneral Khumalo i-attack uGeneral Ntata Mkhwanazi i-targetha labantu okuyibona ngempela abasebenzayo abalwa ne-corruption for the country okusho ukuthi yona le IDEC yamavukela mbuso qobo layo i-IDEC amavukela mbuso i-IDEC yona ebefuna ukuthatha ugovernment ngokungekho emthethweni wala eSouth Africa hayi ngeke akuhambi kahle makunje Mr. President sicela ubulungiswa mabenzeke. Now, I'm pleading with you, Mr. President Cyril Ramaphosa. Make sure ukuthi uFani Masimula uyabuyela emsebenzini. And I demand ukuthi wenze wena ukuthi usuku ukhulume nesizwe. Uxolise ngalento oyenzile. Since ukwazile ukuthi umsuspend and umusufaka lona omunye oyi-deputy. Thank you.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thought below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulongile, bye. See you on the next one.